Our solar is not working, guys. I think because yesterday is no more sun comes out. Nalubot. I'm ready. This one be 6:46. No, it's very dark. Hi guys, grocery shopping from Walmart. March 16, guys. Bathroom tissue, paper towel, chips, sloppy Jew, the cookies, eat, fruits, hamburger, buns, sliced bread, and hot dog buns, grounded hot dog, Yakult, lemon tea, onion, wow, potato, wow, banana so big. And the total is 66.62 or 3,894. Very windy kayo. Cancel our flight to Digay. We went to the airport to Digay and delay for almost 2 hours our flight, and then our layover in Atlanta is only 40 minutes. So the decision is cancel our flight and reschedule again in next day, in a few days. Very windy. Good night everyone.
Wow! Madali lang yung si tita hanapin kayo nakatilog din sa
Oh, may salakyan eh. Hi, madam.
Nagutom ka na, tita?
Na, kumain kami doon sa sa airport kasi hindi na kaya pag mag-antay pa.
Oo.
Kasi hindi nga kami nag-breakfast. Kaya kumain kami doon. Hi guys, good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel, Babes Life in the US. We're here at my sister's house guys, in Florida. And this is our first morning here. Let's drink coffee guys. Usually the weather here is good. And plus, I'm watching Filipino show. And my niece busy cooking for breakfast. Preparing breakfast. And of course, Duncan! Duncan! Shh. Come here. Come here. Duncan! Mommy is hiding over here. Huh? Hiding over here, no? Hi! See? Oh, you're shy. Want to kiss the mommy, la? Huh? Hmm? Si Mami La na lang mo kiss. Si Mami La na lang mo kiss. Ah. My niece is preparing to our breakfast. First breakfast.
Anak na tito. Butangan na niya cheese.
And because of fried rice, of course, have garlic. Cooking. And then si Mami La is nag-filming. Si Mami is cooking. And Dunking is massaging si Mami La. Delayed to massage. Di na siya
You're good boy, ha? You're good boy, friend.
good boy man na siya. Hi guys. Still ano guys? He's still chilly. Still chilly.
Ay, hindi ka makakadala ng ano.
Bawal yata sa plane. Ay ito. Ang
bango ng
dami.
bulaklak.
Yeah. Lot of ano guys. This is an orange.
Pagbalik niyo, marami na to.
Hmm. Di ba orange to?
Oh, yung tangerine yung kinain mo.
Ah, yan. Hmm.
Oh, smells so good.
Hmm. Tapos yung dahon din yun. Smell good.
Bango. Picture kita dyan, ah.
Sige. They plant everything guys. You bought that ano?
From Walmart.
The soil?
Sa Sam's na
They bought soil guys and they do like this. This is like you assemble this?
Yeah, I did.
I think we need to buy like this, no? How much you buy this ano?
I think this is 100 something.
One of this?
Two.
To? Ah, $50 isang ganito.
No. 100. Oh, yeah. Maybe 200 for two. Something. Mahal man siya.
Uy, expensive man di ay.
Nga ka nang gagmay. Tag $50 or $40. Makagawa ka na ng dalawa or tatlo niyan. Yung brown.
So,
Yan
$50 makagawa ka ng 3. But this one,
You can look it up in Amazon. Kani medyo mahal kay dako man siya unya pang ano jud ba ya pang potato o ganang pang root garden bitaw.
expensive. Uy, pag $100 isang ganito. Expensive man. Pero,
Nadaghan siya na mo mga beets na siya.
pero ano man siya?
Is still longer ba?
Longer,
Kaysa-
oo.
Kaysa kahoy.
Mm. At least di maka-jump si ano dito. Di maka-jump si Duncan. And the other one, this one empty.
Empty kay wala pa nagsil ang
Look at the tree over there. Oh. Yeah. What is that kind of ano? Hanging? Yeah.
ang Spanish moss.
Spanish moss? Yeah. Yeah. Spanish moss din.
Did you get the address?
No. How it says. You can get dessert if you want.
Okay.
Let's go.
Not sure.
That is northwest of me.
Not sure, Georgia.
Almost aluna na area. CBE store. Little store, we're here. Church.
We're here, Tita, sa video. Yeah, we're gonna do the bagong here.
Where is the venue?
Right there. Oh,
Ah, that?
right there, right there.
Ah, okay.
Dito na.
Yeah, that's why the cleaning lady is probably coming.
Ah, okay. This is the venue.
Yeah. It's the venue.
Okay.
They're open.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the door over here.
For
Yeah,
the
the-
parking lot.
Oh, it's the Pinky Promise. That's when you can come in and get like a wig or something.
Oh. And the front door. They don't do the front door.
It's not. It's considered.
It's
the
called
back door.
Harper Rose
Hero
Cottage.
Park.
Okay.
Or we.
I mean, yeah.
Big
I think
space,
we'll
man.
park right there.
Lot of parking space.
Well, we don't need a parking spot.
No.
We'll get over there.
Leave
Maybe
it for the
Alana.
guests.
Maybe Alana can be
Oh,
over
till
there.
ending.
Mm-hmm.
Till ending tomorrow that he can park her.
And even Chris, maybe.
And Chris and Pops.
Yeah, that way we could take up those spots and then leave these.
For the
That'd be
people.
4 spots at Lemoore here.
Mm-hmm. Okay. We'll go.
Ah, that's Kalahan Elementary School. Ah, Yudes pala tong Kalahan.
Not really.
Yeah.
Maybe the population here above.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful, Tita. Video here.
Ah, yan? Oo nga. Wow.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah, we got one trees from Lowe's.
You have that?
Yeah.
Yeah, so beautiful.
See, it's nice, like in the middle of like
Oh,
and close to the house.
yeah. Wow, so beautiful flower.
Oh yeah.
I like that flower.
Wow, this is big.
Big area.
They don't want to correct it, so.
I think we need to learn how to do this. So that's why I apply here.
Yeah. You need to move here. No, this is I do manicure and so home. So you can do your own.
I did my own.
Half.
Half one.
Yeah.
Mabalbal, pareho nga tayo kambal.
Mabal nga tayo.
Oo nga.
Alam mo, they congratulate me. When I posted your picture and Charles on my day, they said congratulations. I didn't know you're getting. You know, they do nail extension longer than this one.
Oh my.
That's great. I think I do triple XL.
Oh my goodness. Must be she's working in the office.
She finished the typing.
Iba-iba din. Meron din acrylic.
Yeah, because there's
What kaayo
there's
mo?
one close to St. Augustine.
Hindi masakit.
Very nice.
Baby, sexy na kagay mo na. Tama na.
Yeah, I have a client. I do home service in Brunswick. She was late on her own house. Ganyan lang.
Oo nga.
Wow. Tingnan ko nga kung pwede pa ilagyan natin ng French.
She said she'll be there 12:30. So.
12:30 Saturday. Oh, we'll be there early, right?
Yeah, I told him. And I told him it would be an honor for him if I could hang out with the party.
Kailangan dikit-dikit. Konti. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos ito.
Oh, wala siya nag-dry oil.
Wala.
Perfect na natin. Mas hindi na siya na ano sa